actually got in the corner. Oh, fuck up. Actually, I can park on the side. That's fine. Yes, I have to take that bitch while back here. Oh, okay, right here too. Oh, good. It's just bad parking, but okay. Napa. I don't really care for Napa either because I'm rich and snobby.